Yo, what's going on, guys? It is Sunday, March 14th. Here I am early morning on Sunday at Advanced Auto Parts, going to change the air filter in my 2014 Honda Accord V6 sedan. So it's very simple, really quick process. All you're going to do is undo these two tabs. I did just get a car request. I wanted to get the pure rate or get the special order that one, so this is the part number for the car request. And then you're just going to basically slide this open. Give yourself enough space to slide it out. And then do notice that this tab here is sticking out. So when you put the new one in, you want that tab portion sticking out. So let's get the new one unboxed. Give me 1 second. Okay, so here's the new one. Notice there's a tab there on the right hand side. So you're going to want to put that side going in this way. So again, slider open. It just took a little bit of finessing. I had to basically use two hands and slide it in and it hops right in. Close up these two tabs and then you're all set. Very simple, quick air filter change on the 2014 Honda Accord V6. Thanks for watching.